Anker products aren't just about looking good, they're about being strong and long-lasting. So, for example, the power modules up here are made from automotive-grade aluminum alloy, and they're cast to make sure that there's hardly any gaps and super strong as well.
Please contribute. It really helps my independent, honest journalism for you.
If you're installing this battery near a bedroom like I am, or in an area near an entertainment place where you'll be sitting and enjoying lunch with your family, then you don't want it to be noisy. And I cannot hear this at all. It's rated for 35 decibels if the temperature is below 40 degrees, and 40 decibels if the temperature is above 40 degrees. Some of the other major batteries out there are a lot noisier. Check the noise limits in their manuals to make sure that they aren't going to be a nuisance if you install batteries near your living areas and sleeping areas. You want it to be quiet. And this battery is super quiet. I can stand next to it and hear nothing. In terms of ruggedness, it's got C5M corrosion for the actual battery structure and
correct,
the power module and the
inverter. So this whole system, as you see it right now, is rated to be installed a lot closer to the ocean than any other system available in Australia. And this is a really important point for those who live near the beach. You've got to consider what salt water does to things over time. So a lot of brands, I know one brand can only be installed 1 kilometre from the ocean, others are 500 metres. We can be installed outdoors on a wall like this, 300 metres from the ocean. And we can even be installed even closer. We can go 50 metres directly from ocean water if it's within a protected space like a garage or a shed or a carport that isn't directly exposed to sea spray. So it does give consumers a lot more confidence and flexibility in terms of their choice and where they want to install it. And it gives us access to customers that have been previously either sold something that isn't warranted and they don't know it, or are looking for something that's robust and tough enough to handle the Aussie conditions.
It's in 4 parts, including an aluminum substrate and a special powder coating. There are warranty conditions if you live near a salty area, which I will show on screen to make sure you maintain your warranty. But Anker must be pretty confident in these batteries being installed near the ocean because they've partnered with RESINC Solar to provide lots of free batteries to surf clubs along the New South Wales coast.
Something really interesting I noticed when I looked online for RESINC Solar installs, there are a whole bunch of surf clubs along the New South Wales coast. How come that's the case, Lee?
Yeah, RESINC Solar have given approximately $1.5 million worth of solar and batteries at almost no cost to surf clubs in New South Wales, Southeast Queensland, right up and down the East Coast. Saving surf clubs about $300,000 a year in electricity costs. So that's really good because that's money that the surf clubs can put back into their clubs, saving money into their communities, training their future lifeguards, all that sort of stuff. And that's a program that we'll be doing.
Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. It really helps me make more videos like this for you. And have a look at the suggested videos up above. I'm pretty sure you'll like those as well. Thanks, and see you later.